Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today is Saturday and I'm going to show you what I got today. I went to Hyvee and Walmart and I spent about $250. Sometimes people ask me about my grocery budget. I usually try to keep it between $200 and $250 a week for everything that we need. That includes household items, toiletries, that kind of stuff. Could I spend less? Yes. Could I spend less on drinks? Yes. But I'm a grown-up and I feel like I do what I want. So anyway, let me show you what I got and then I'll share with you the meal plan. A little light on the produce this week. I actually forgot to get cucumbers, which I'm kind of irritated with myself about, but we still have some produce in the fridge carryover from last week. So when it comes to produce, I try not to overbuy if I can, if it's stuff that I can't freeze, just because I want to be sensitive to not be wasting things. So I did pick up some red seedless grapes from Walmart, and I really have to be careful when I go to Walmart because sometimes I feel like the packaging is a little bit close, and I almost got the seeded grapes, which would have been a disaster. Not really, but yeah, kind of. My kids would have been like, what the heck? So I got some red seedless grapes. These were really pricey. I think this bag was like not even a pound and it was almost $4, so definitely not on sale right now. I did also get some grape tomatoes from Hyvee, and I've been liking to cut these up and put them in salads. I've been trying to take a salad to work for lunch every day, and then I also make like a container of raw veggies for the kids and us to snack on every week. I'm so sorry if you hear the lawnmower, but it is nice outside and Adam is mowing the lawn. I also grabbed some raspberries. These were on sale at Hyvee for I think $1.89 each, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. Strawberries is one thing that I don't like to get at Hyvee just because they are so expensive. It's crazy. This container of strawberries at Hyvee was literally $10, but I mean this size container, but I got this one at Walmart and it was $2, so riddle me that. But anyway, this is 2 pounds of strawberries and they look really good, so I grabbed those. I got a huge head of green leaf lettuce. Now this was actually only $1.89 at Hyvee, and it's a huge amount of good quality lettuce. So it's just kind of have to pick and choose what I get there if I want to try and save a little money. I did grab a pineapple. I got this at Walmart. I did not find any pineapples at Hyvee, and maybe I just didn't look in the right place. But last week I actually got a pineapple from Aldi, and I cut it up and made like a huge batch of fruit salad, and it was really good, and we ate on it all week, and so that's what I want to do again this week. So I grabbed one of those. Hopefully that one's just as good as the one I got last week. I also grabbed 4 bananas. I did get some corn on the cob too. Now in Iowa we always have really good sweet corn in the summer, but it is not quite summer yet, and so this is probably okay sweet corn. It's probably not the best that we're going to be able to get this year, but I thought we would grill out one night this week, and so I wanted just to get 4 ears of that for us to have as a side. They did have some white peaches on sale at Hyvee, and so I went ahead and grabbed 4 of these. They were still a little bit pricey. I think they were like over $2 a pound, but the kids and I and Adam all like those, so I thought I could cut those up and put them in the fruit salad. I just grabbed 1 yellow onion. I think I'm going to do beef and noodles one day this week for dinner, and so when I cook the roast for that, I will need an onion for that. I also picked up some different yogurts. I've been liking to have yogurt and granola for my breakfast at work, and so these are not for yogurt and granola, but these are the new flavors of Chobani, so I thought I would try these out, or maybe the kids can try them. This one is a Boston cream pie. It says vanilla yogurt with yellow cake crunch, custard clusters, and chocolate chips, so that's interesting. And then they also had Rocky Road, so I thought we would try those. And then they had the regular Chobanis on sale for $1, so I just got 2 of these, 1 orange and cream and 1 peaches and cream. I do also want to make homemade pizza at some point this week, so I grabbed some Italian sausage. I'll just cook this up in a skillet and crumble it up, and then we won't use all of this for the pizza, but I can use the other part in maybe some pasta sauce or something like that. They have also been selling some local restaurants food at Hyvee, and this cheese dip from Guadalajara is like the best cheese dip I've ever had in my life. Now it's pricey. It's $5.95 for this little container, but it's also delicious, and again, I wanted Adam and I really like this, so I decided to grab that. I also got Adam some macaroni salad from Walmart. This is pretty cheap. It's only $2 something, and if you've never tried it before, it's actually really good for macaroni salad. I'm not a huge fan of macaroni salad, but Adam really loves it. So sometimes I get this for him, and then like if we do burgers or something, we can have that as a side, or he can eat it for lunch during the week. I grabbed some sour cream because I want to make cheesy potatoes this week as a side. Some milk. I got some half and half for my coffee. I also got Connor some of these Lala probiotic yogurt smoothies. I've gotten these for him before and he really likes them, so I decided to grab some again. I got myself a Synergy Watermelon Wonder kombucha. That's one of my favorite kinds. I grabbed some butter, some shredded cheese. They had Kraft shredded cheese on sale for $1.99, so I went ahead and grabbed this Mexican cheddar jack. This is what we use. Hold on a second. I do apologize for the mowing sounds, but you know, that's just that's just what happens around here. So I usually like to use this for quesadillas for Connor, and we can use it like if we make taco salads or something like that too. I grabbed these for Kira. These are the mild cheddar cheese snacks. I got those at Hyvee. I grabbed some feta cheese from Walmart. I like to get the block of feta. When I get feta cheese, to me it tastes a lot better, and I just, you know, basically cube it up myself and put it in salads. And I thought maybe I would do some Greek salads this week for my meal prep for work. And then I got some sliced cheddar cheese. This is for sandwiches. For lunch meat this week, I got the Deluso honey mesquite turkey breast. This is my favorite kind of shaved deli meat to get. They have it at Hyvee. It's kind of pricey, but I pay it because it's good quality. I also grabbed some bun-size beef hot dogs. We have been liking to do like burgers and hot dogs on the grill once a week, and we were out of hot dogs. I also have some crescent rolls in the fridge, so I could do pigs in a blanket if I wanted also. I grabbed a package of bacon. I like to keep bacon on hand either for like weekend breakfast, or sometimes I will do a quick dinner of BLTs after work if I'm just like, there's nothing else I want to make and I don't want to cook. So I like to keep at least one package of bacon in the house for that. I also got some of this white American cheese. This will be for like sandwiches and grilled cheese. They have this pre-sliced at my Walmart, which is nice, and so I grabbed some of that. I got some mozzarella cheese. I will shred this myself when I make homemade pizza. I think it tastes better that way, especially for homemade pizza. I did get some Rice Krispie treats. I want to make some, not Rice Krispie treats, I got some Rice Krispies because I want to make some Rice Krispie treats. I have a really good recipe for brown butter Rice Krispie treats, and they are so delicious. I'll link that down below if I can find it. It's so good. For cereal this week, I got some Golden Grahams because I like Golden Grahams and so does everyone else, but it's one of my favorite kinds of cereal. I grabbed some pears. Adam likes to eat these with cottage cheese, either these or peaches, so I grabbed a jar of these from Hyvee. I also got some chili, no beans, and I just like to keep this in the pantry. Adam really likes chili dogs, so I will keep one of these in there in case we want to do that for a quick dinner. I also got 4 cans of petite diced tomatoes just because I didn't have any in the pantry, and that's something like I always like to keep on hand for recipes. I was out of dried basil, so I grabbed one of these. I wanted a bigger container, but Hyvee was out, and that's all I could get. I was also out of green chilies, diced green chilies in the pantry, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 cans of those just to keep on hand for different recipes. I got Adam some of his nacho cheese sauce. These are little cups that are microwavable, so he usually likes to eat these with pretzels, sometimes for a snack, so I grabbed those for him. 2 bags of marshmallows for the Rice Krispie treats. This mowing is really cramping my style. And then I saw these chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. Those look good. I like chocolate and peanut butter a lot, and I've never had these before, so I decided to try those. I got some chicken marinade, garlic, herb, and wine, so I think I'm going to do some of that today for dinner tonight. I also got some King's Hawaiian rolls. I thought maybe if we did burgers this week, we could do sliders, and these are good too for the kids to have sandwiches on for lunch during the week. And then I randomly saw this in the checkout at Walmart, and it's birthday cake flavored Kit Kat, and that looks like it is good for me, so that will be going in my stash of chocolate. I also grabbed some Boji's Mustard, good Lord. Okay, Boji's mustard. So this is like a stone ground mustard that's made in Rock Island, which is kind of local to us. So you can really only get it around here, I think, but it's delicious and we like to have that for sandwiches. I need to go back to Costco because that's one of the places where I like to get these Hungry Jack dehydrated hash brown potatoes, but they also have them at Hyvee, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these from there in case we want those for breakfast tomorrow. I got some pineapple chunks, a can of those, some tomato paste just to keep in the pantry. I was all out of regular all-purpose flour, so I went ahead and got 2 bags of that. They had plenty in the store. I didn't really see any supply issues with anything this weekend, so I like to get the unbleached all-purpose flour. I have some bread flour and some wheat flour, but I was all out of all-purpose. For crackers, I grabbed some Triscuits. Those are for me to eat with cottage cheese. And then Adam really likes chicken and a biscuit, and I have not made them for him in a long time, so I've not made them for him. I've not bought them for him in a long time, so I went ahead and grabbed those also. Okay, I think I said chicken and a biscuit, sorry. I had ordered a prescription and Walgreens was calling me, so I was distracted. Chicken and a biscuit for Adam, he loves those. I got hot dog buns for the hot dogs, that dang mower. Hot dog buns for the hot dogs. They had this on markdown at Walmart. I thought I would get one of these and make some of my own garlic bread and stick it in the freezer for the next time we have pasta and want garlic bread. I also got some wheat bread. This is the kind that Adam likes, 100% whole wheat, so I got that for him. I also got some pancake syrup because we were running low on that. This is not the kind that I like to buy, but they didn't have the kind that I normally buy. My very favorite pancake syrup is Aunt Jemima Butter Light, but I settled for the Mrs. Butterworth's Butter Light just because they didn't have what I wanted. I grabbed some ketchup. I like to keep at least one in the pantry as a backup. I got some barbecue chips. These are from Walmart. They're pretty affordable. And then I also got some Doritos. That's Connor's favorite. And then I got a sack of the Cool and Tangy mix. I got these at Hyvee. They were on sale. These come with cheddar and sour cream and onion, Cool Ranch, and cheddar sun chips. I got some Kool-Aid jammers for the kids. And then I also grabbed a 12-pack of sugar-free Red Bull for Adam. He likes that. I got some more Starbucks K-Cups. These are on sale at Hyvee for $9, so I just grabbed one of those. Hyvee had a sale on all of their frozen foods. They did like a 10% off everything you could fit in a bag, and I didn't really need a lot of stuff, but these were the 4 things I got from the freezer section from there. I got some shredded hash brown potatoes for cheesy potatoes. I grabbed some corn dogs for the kids to have for lunch in the air fryer this week. I got some of the super crispy crinkle cut fries and then some of the Ream's home-style egg noodles. This is what I like to use for either chicken noodles or beef and noodles. They did not have these last time I made chicken noodles, so I had to use dried noodles, but this is what Adam actually, is what Adam prefers. Last week I bought some of the sparkling ice, and I found out that if I bought this, which was the Walmart brand, these are half the price. They're like 52 cents each, and the sparkling ice are $1 each. So I went ahead and just got a flat of these. So there's different flavors in here. There's citrus, pineapple, passion fruit, huckleberry, strawberry, banana. There is a peach nectar, cherry, watermelon, cucumber, peach, I don't know. Anyway, so I just got kind of an assortment of those. And then drinks, yes, I got a lot of drinks. Okay, so these Jelly Belly sparkling waters were seriously 99 cents for an 8-pack at Hyvee. I don't know if they're about to expire or going out of stock or what, but I bought 4 of them because they were 99 cents. So I got 1 pink grapefruit, 1 tangerine, 1 vanilla, and 1 pina colada. I believe I've had these 2, but I don't think I've had the grapefruit or the vanilla, but they are really good if you like sparkling water. This is also my new favorite soda, the Diet Dr. Pepper and Cream Soda. It is delicious. If you haven't tried it, get some. I got some Cherry Coke Zero, and then just sparkling waters, some cherry limeade, and some orange cream. Those are from Walmart. I did have to get toilet paper. Now, I have to tell you, I have not bought toilet paper since the beginning of this pandemic because I typically get mine at Costco, and at the beginning of March, I bought a huge thing of toilet paper at Costco, and we're still not all the way through that. I think we have like 2 6-packs left, but since they had decent toilet paper in the store, I thought I would grab it. So I got this at Walmart. It's quilted northern. We actually normally get Charmin, but whatever. I'm not gonna be picky about that. For non-food, I got some of these mini dressing cups with lids. I normally like to order these from Amazon, but they, I ran out and I just saw these in the store, and so I picked them up. I like to use these for meal prep when I take lunches to work. And then I also got some command hooks. This is for my office. I have something that I want to kind of hang on the edge of my desk, and I thought this would be a good way to do that. I grabbed a large box of freezer bags. These are the Ziploc gallon freezer bags. I also got some batteries. I have a label maker that takes AAAs, and so I wanted to keep some more on hand of those. I got some aluminum foil. I actually really like the heavy duty aluminum foil, the Great Value brand. I don't know why this is open, but it's really good. To me, it's just as good as Reynolds Wrap, so try that if you haven't yet. And then I also got some plastic spoons. I like to have these on hand because a lot of times I'll take my breakfast to work and I want to have something to eat it with. So I think that's all the groceries that I got for today. Let me show you what is on the meal plan. I lied. I put a few things in the freezer. I got some of this Biscoff ice cream from Walmart. I've never seen it before. It looks delicious. Biscoff blueberry cheesecake. How can you resist that? And then I also got for the kids some Klondike bars because it's getting warmer out. And did you guys eat these when you were a kid? I feel like I did, and it reminds me of being a kid. So now I'll show you the meal plan. All right, so here we go with the meal plan for this week. So today's Saturday. Tonight I'm gonna do steak and chicken on the grill with roasted potatoes and steamed broccoli. Tomorrow's Sunday. I'm planning on doing beef and noodles with rolls and veggies. Monday I'm planning on doing the homemade pizza with some salad on the side. Tuesday, burgers and hot dogs on the grill with fries and fruit. Wednesday, I have some pork chops in the freezer I want to get used up, so I think we'll probably make those either in a skillet or on the grill, and we'll do corn on the cob and cauliflower on the side. Thursday, I also have a turkey breast in the freezer, and I think I'll put that in the crock pot and then make some mashed potatoes and green meats on the side. Friday, I always either plan to do takeout or we order pizza, and then Saturday I don't plan for because I just do it this way. So that is what is on the meal plan for this week. All right, so that is gonna wrap it up for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get this stuff put away and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.